Dunhuang, situated in the northwestern region of China, is a captivating and historically rich destination that beckons travelers from around the globe. Nestled along the ancient Silk Road, this oasis city in the Gansu Province boasts a tapestry of natural wonders, cultural heritage, and archaeological treasures that make it a must-visit destination for both history enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. One of the most renowned attractions in Dunhuang is the Mogao Caves, also known as the Thousand Buddha Grottoes. These sacred caves, carved into the cliffside, house an astonishing collection of over 700 caves and niches adorned with intricate murals, sculptures, and scriptures that span more than a millennium. The artistry and spiritual significance of these caves, often referred to as a Buddhist art treasure trove, are nothing short of mesmerizing. Dunhuang's stunning natural landscapes are equally captivating. The Mingsha sand dunes, also known as the Singing Sands, create a dramatic contrast against the azure sky. These undulating dunes extend for miles and offer the chance to experience exhilarating camel rides or sandboarding. The resounding echoes of the shifting sands are a unique auditory phenomenon that has enchanted visitors for centuries. For those seeking solitude and reflection, Crescent Lake is an oasis amidst the harsh desert surroundings. Nestled within the Mingsha sand dunes, this crescent-shaped lake is a serene spot where travelers can relax, take in the picturesque scenery, and perhaps even enjoy a traditional tea ceremony in a yurt. The Great Wall of China extends into Dunhuang as well, with the westernmost section known as the Han Great Wall. While it may not be as famous as its eastern counterparts, it holds significant historical importance and offers a quieter, more contemplative experience for those who wish to explore this engineering marvel in relative solitude. Dunhuang's rich history and multicultural heritage are also reflected in its cuisine. Traditional dishes, heavily influenced by Silk Road trade, combine flavors from various regions of China and Central Asia. Be sure to savor local specialties like hand-pulled noodles, lamb kebabs, and the famous Dunhuang moon cake, a delectable dessert that embodies the city's cultural fusion. Beyond its historical and natural wonders, Dunhuang offers a vibrant local culture with markets and bazaars where you can shop for silk, carpets, jade, and other unique souvenirs. The night markets come alive with the aroma of street food and the sounds of local musicians, creating a lively atmosphere that showcases the city's dynamic spirit. In conclusion, Dunhuang is a destination that offers a harmonious blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring the ancient wonders of the Mogao Caves, riding camels across the Singing Sands, or savoring the flavors of Silk Road cuisine, Dunhuang invites travelers to embark on a journey through time and experience the enchantment of the Silk Road's western gateway. With its captivating landscapes and rich heritage, Dunhuang promises an unforgettable adventure for anyone who ventures into its storied embrace.